Hello, welcome to the session of Technology of Inorganic Chemicals. In this session, we are going to study about mixed fertilizers. I am Mahendra Shete, lecturer in Chemical Engineering, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. The course outcome for this session is prepare fertilizer in chemical process industries, and the unit outcome is identify the components of mixed fertilizers for the given grades. Basically, there are three types of fertilizers. First one is straight fertilizer, complex fertilizers, and mixed fertilizers. The meaning of straight fertilizer is that out of three primary nutrients of soil or crop, the one is present in that fertilizer. That is, either N or P or K is present in straight fertilizer. For example, ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, urea. These fertilizers contains only nitrogen as a nutrient. Therefore, it is called as straight fertilizers. Second type is complex fertilizer. Complex fertilizer means two or three primary nutrients are present in a chemical combination. For example, diammonium phosphate. In this fertilizer, nitrogen and phosphate are present in a chemical combination. And third type of fertilizer is a mixed fertilizer. Here, the physical mixture of straight fertilizer is prepared and used as a mixed fertilizer. The mixed fertilizers are categorized on the basis of grades, and the grades indicates NPK, means the quantity of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium supplied by these fertilizers. This refers to the minimum guarantee with regard to the nutrient content of the fertilizer mixture in terms of N, P and K. Here nitrogen is present percentage by weight, phosphorus is present as P2O5 by weight, and potassium is present water soluble potash as K2O percentage by weight. For example, here NPK is available in proportion 12:32:16. Means nitrogen content is 12% by weight, phosphorus content is 32% by weight and potassium content 16% by weight. Phosphate is present or added as diammonium phosphate. Potassium is added from muriate of potash, and nitrogen is added as urea. Here nitrogen content is balanced by both urea and present as ammonia in ammonium phosphate, and remaining quantity is balanced by a filler, which is silica sand. Advantages of mixed fertilizer. The basic or primary advantage of using mixed fertilizer is that all the three plant major nutrients are made available in one and the same material. There is saving of time and labor. The residual effect will not be there. The fertilizer mixtures are usually prepared taking in the account the acidic or alkaline nature of the ingredients and other chemical reactions. Usually, mixed fertilizers are prepared to suit a group of crop and soils. In disadvantages of mixed fertilizer, specific need of the crop and deficiency of individual nutrient elements cannot be satisfied by using mixed fertilizer as efficiently as in the case of straight fertilizer. The use of mixed fertilizer in such cases of specific needs will be best as other nutrients are also added to the soil. Unit cost of the various nutrients contained in the mixed fertilizer will always be higher when compared to the unit cost of nutrients contained in straight fertilizers. So, thank you.